Welcome back to Lucky Break at the Monsoon Nightclub at the Desert Diamond Casino. I'm Shannon with Kim FM. Thank you so much for watching. We're just going to move right into our next contestant right now and bring out Otto Malone. Come on out here, Otto. Otto's got some fans. What are you going to sing?
I'm just Simple Man since my mom's here to visit me.
Oh, perfect. Okay, cool. Well, I can't wait to hear this. Otto, this could be your lucky break. Good luck.
Go take your time. Don't live too fast. Troubles will come, and they will pass. Find a woman, oh yeah, and you'll find love. And don't forget that there is someone up above. And be a simple kind of man. Won't be something, yeah, you love and understand. Maybe be a simple kind of man. Oh, won't you do this for my son if you can? If you can, if you can. Oh, get you lost when the rich man's gold. All that you need now is in your soul. And you can do this, oh baby, if you try. All that I want for you, my son, is to be satisfied and be a simple kind of man. Or be something, yeah, you love and understand. Baby, be a simple kind of man. Oh, won't you do this for me, son, if you can? If you can, if you can. Oh, don't you worry, you'll find yourself. Follow your heart. Yeah.
Otto, good job. Let's go down to Mike at the judges table and see what he thought, okay?
Otto, first thing, I like the outfit, but I don't like the outfit. You're going to play the part, you're going to play one way or the other with the glasses. But on that song, you know, it flows. I like that song, and it flows two ways. And I think it was a little bit of a strain on some of it because you went down and then went up, the way you went up. I think you need to watch that, but I'm going to give you a 4 for tonight.
All right, let's go to Christopher and see what he thought, Otto.
Otto, you're not a simple man. You're a brave man. Huzzah! Anyway, you got a great voice. You're really pushing it, though. There was a crack or two in it. I know you're working on that, but you did engage as you got the crowd into it, and I'm going to give you a 5.
All right, let's go to Joey and see what he thought.
Your voice inflection, I think you kind of overuse them a little bit. You did oversing some parts of the song. Other than that, great tone. I like it. Give you a 5.
All right. Congratulations. Good luck. All right. If you at home watching would like to text vote for Otto, just text the number on the bottom of your screen to 68683. Judges have a vote and you have a vote. Bringing out our next contestant now. We're bringing out Tora Wallishin. I hope I said that the right way. Tora brought some fans. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Very good. Okay, what are you going to sing for us tonight?
I'm going to sing Alone by Heart.
Ooh, very nice. Okay, Tora, this could be your lucky break. Good luck.
Thank you. I hear the ticking of the clock. I'm lying here, the room's pitch dark. I wonder where you are tonight. No answer on the telephone. And the night goes by so very slow. Oh, I hope that it won't end though. Alone. Till now, I always gone by on my own. I never really cared until I met you. And now it chills me to the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone? You don't know how long I have wanted to touch your lips and hold you tight. Oh, you don't know how long I have waited, and I was gonna tell you tonight. But the secret is still my own, and my love for you is still unknown. Alone. Till now, I've always gone by on my own. I never really cared until I met you. And now it chills me to the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone?
All right, Tora, great job. That was
Thank you.
beautiful. Good job. Come
Thank
on
you.
over here. Let's go down to Mike at the judges table and see what he thought, okay?
Yes.
Tori, great job. First of all, what I liked is that you came out and you owned the stage. You worked the stage. You worked both sides of the stage. You worked the front of the stage. You almost fell off the stage. But overall, you did a really good job. I think on the top end, it was a little tight sometimes. But overall, good job. I'm going to give you a 5.
Thank you.
All right, let's go to Christopher and see what he thought.
At the top, I'm going to agree with Mike. You had a little bit of a challenge on the top end, but overall, you were really good, and I'm going to give you a 5.
Thank you.
All right, let's go to Joey. What did you think?
You had total control over your voice, and for that, I give you 6.
Thank you.
All right, congratulations. Good luck, Tora. Good job. If you viewing at home would like to text vote for Tora, just text the number on the bottom of your screen to 68683. And remember, if you need details on Lucky Break, anything at all about the sponsors, the auditions, the registration, just go online to kimfm.com. We'll be right back with more Lucky Break.